Assalamu alaikum to anyone who would be viewing an introductory video regarding your final year project. My name is Qutb-Ul-Arfeen and my student ID is 10508, and I would like my project partner to introduce himself. Please, if you may.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Absaar Aslam and my ID is 9204. We would like to thank our university, KIET, for providing us with a platform to showcase our final year project. The project would have never come into fruition without countless efforts from our advisor, Sir Muhammad Saad. He was with us throughout our project. He helped us throughout our project, and without him, nothing would have been possible. Along with other members of the KIET hierarchy, the jury members, Sir Usman Khan, for helping us in planning everything. Okay, Arfin.
Okay, so about the idea of the project. Our project is quite unique because it is one of its own kind. There is no such thing present in the market as for now. What we captured was the main idea. What we captured was the main pain that was arising within the journal public. So we attained the idea because recently a friend of mine was going through this proceeding of divorce. So what I got from him was that he had to go through excruciating means just to get through with the process. So I thought, why shouldn't we make such a thing uh, which can help people who are in need? It started like that, but then as we dig down, we got to know that in Pakistan, the rate of divorce is exceedingly increasing on very exponential basis, and there have been various surveys by government and non-government organizations. And it was an alarming situation, yet it was shadowed as a taboo, as a topic that is not to be discussed. We somehow managed manage our guts, and we pulled it together, and we presented the idea. The idea was basically a forum that could help anyone who is going through such a phase uh, in making their decision more sound. For say, if they want to make the decision, it would be more sound, or if they want any sort of information, it would be through a single channel. They won't have to visit this code, that code, this advisor, that advisor. We provided one umbrella application that would cover all such things. If you want a legal advisor, it would provide you with a list of all of them, like possibly as many as you can find. If you want a solution, it would provide you with expert system. If you want to check compatibility, it would provide you with a personality test as well as with a compatibility test. So to explain more about it, I would like Mr. Absaar Aslam to take over from here.
Okay, so for our login functions and authentications and also databases, we've used Firebase for our databases. Also, we have used Google Sign-In and Google Authentication for our sign-up procedures and sign-in procedures. We've also used Flask servers for recalling data and questions for our personality tests, and also the results and the calculation of results are also through the backend. This is our Flask server, and we have different methods for different functionalities. As you can see, for instance, this is the function for our personality analysis. We calculate our scores based on that, and there are different methods for different functionalities, and the app is then for the post and get requests. These are the routes for the Flask server that is hosted in Heroku. Okay, moving on. Here are the sequence diagrams for different functionalities of our project. As you can see, this is the user login sequence diagram where a user logs in, enters the password and email, and is authenticated. If the user is from the Gmail side, if he's logging in using his Gmail, Then we call the Google login API, and then that in turn signs the user in. And if it's a normal in-app user login, then it signs up through the procedure that is within the app. The another functionality is the personality test. A user takes the personality test, and the personality test is then calculated, and then the result is shown, and the result is then shown to the user after the user has inputted all the answers for the questions that are given to him. The legal advisors functionality is simple. If you want to diagnose your problem, you click into diagnose, and it navigates to the function of the legal advisory, and then there you can see the legal advisors within the app. Lastly, the personality test comparison is that the user inputs both personalities. One is his own personality, and the other is his spouse's or her spouse's. And then in turn, the app calculates the personality comparison between the both parties, and then the result is shown.
Okay, so as for the in-app preview, this is a login page and this is a sign-up page. We have implemented all sorts of validation which would not allow any sort of data anomaly. So let's get going with it. Login with Google. So there are a few first to our app. Number one is that you can easily personalize your things and you can find your personality type here. If you have not taken test, it will show a blank personality and you can view a privacy policy from here, terms and conditions from here. Uh, Now let's get back to our features. Number one, the initial thing was the main idea of it was to diagnose your problem and to provide you with an array of solutions or consultants. For say, if I'm a naive user and I want to search anything, for say, I just search divorce and look, it is recommending you the answers that people that have been using our app that have asked. So let's just simply type one thing, divorce. Okay, so it has given us an answer, and let's see if I can get more into it. How can I file for divorce? How can I initiate a divorce? How is property divided within a divorce? So this is a consecutive hierarchy that would be shown to any user that might come to us. So other than this, if you want any sort of consultancy, we also have an array of lawyers that are specific to the problem that a user has asked. So yeah, that's also a thing. And if we go to the same page, we will find Okay, we would find another option that is take personality test and compare your partner's personality. The both options are they are quite interesting if you put it that way. This is a personality test. You have to take it. It is 50 questions. I would pause it for the duration of quiz. Okay, so we are on the last question of this questionnaire. I am full of ideas. Yep. Surely I'm full of ideas. Okay, so this is how a result would be shown. These are the traits that my personality exhibit. As as it is, I am literally an introvert, and it shows that yes, I am not an extrovert. My extroversion is below 0.2%. So yes, it is highly correct. I can vouch for it. You can try it by yourself as well. Our application is available on Play Store as well. So yes, it shows all sort of things. And now there is a full report, and it gives a detailed description about each and every trait that is present within my personality. If I have my personality test, look, here comes my score. You can also view a score. Uh, okay, so besides comparison of both personalities, besides checking your own personality test, and besides diagnosing your problem, if you are in a leisure mood and somehow you are feeling like you want to read that app other than for that purpose, so yes, we do have another option, that is explore news. You can go and you can view different news regarding entertainment. If you are into that sort of thing, let's see what Sonam Kapoor is doing this weekend. Oh yeah, uh, that's probably it. I'm not much interested in entertainment myself. Okay, so what you're seeing here is a comparison test. So we go like this, find synergy, it will calculate and it will tell that how much is a synergy level based on our scores. So yeah, if you want to retake your personality test, you can take it from here. If you want to go to consultants, you can view any sort of consultant here, or just call them if you want to, or find their location if that's what your forte is. Yeah, look, here it is, and you can also see him. He's quite a young man himself, just like us, making this application. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, one more detail is that this picture, which was of Prince of Persia earlier, it has changed. Why? How did this picture change? It is because we have also this hidden functionality where you can customize your name. You can customize anything. You can, if you want to change your password, you can change your password. Retake your personality test, you can do that as well. This is if you want to change your password. If you want to retake your personality test, you can do it from here. If you want to change your picture, you can also do that. You can also change your picture if you do this. So yes, your picture would be changed, and thus giving you a validation message as well. So these were the few tricks and tips for FIP and all the features that were in it. And we plan in our future works, we plan to create a social society, just like Discord, just like Facebook, just like Twitter, but a bit concentric on this side so that people, just like Reddit, in Reddit they have different communities. Here it would just be like a one community where people with same sort of problems, they could interact and help each other and help building each other as well. So yeah, that is it from our side. We do hope that you would enjoy watching this video, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, so one thing that you can do is you can go to a Play Store, you can search Companion Aid. You'd find our app right on the top. You can click the install button and you can get this app for yourself as well. So yeah, and we do hope that you don't need it in sort of, if you're going through the process of divorce, and we did not wish any sort of unfortunate and unforeseen future like that for you. But just in case, if things go wrong, just like Kim Jong Un said, "Lord is my shepherd, he is my guardian." But just in case, I must have a nuke. So this is all from our side. Bye bye.